Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, we have participated in the Rangoli competition.
And sir, this time we thought of doing something unique using physics.
Yes, something different.
All right.
Can you suggest us some unique idea?
Could you help us out with making something different?
Okay. Using physics and that too Rangoli.
Yes.
I have one idea. Simple idea is there. Let's see how it works. For that, we will do one arrangement. After that, I will tell you how it works using physics. Okay. Here we have one simple arrangement. Bottle is there, and we have 3 holes also, and it is using thread. I have tied it in the Y shape. See, it goes like this, Y shape to the ceiling. Okay, this is simple arrangement. Now it is same as simple pendulum, right? Pendulum can oscillate along x-axis. Another way is what? Along y-axis. One simple difference is there. What is that? Along x-axis, time period is more. Now in simple pendulum we have time period concept now. So along x-axis it takes more time to oscillate, to complete one oscillation, and along along y-axis it takes very less time. So there is a time period difference along x-axis and along y-axis. So this is what combination of 2 oscillations. Like instead of leaving that pendulum from this point or from this point, okay, so what we will do is we will not leave from y-axis or not from x-axis, from in between x and y-axis. This is our x, okay, and this is our y. From in between, from here we will leave that using this powder. Then it will produce beautiful patterns, okay, beautiful patterns it will produce. This is what combination of 2 simple harmonic motions, combination of simple harmonic motions along x-axis and along y-axis. This is called complex harmonic motion with 2 different time periods. Let's see, we will put the powder. Someone should hold it like this. Yeah. See, this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis, x and this is y. So to produce beautiful Rangoli pattern, this is actually called as Lessagius figure. Lessagius figure named after scientist. So in the beginning it will be in the center, not along x or y origin. Now to get the pattern, you need to leave this powder bottle in between x and y, from here or from here or from here or here, anywhere. So now when you leave this bottle from in between x and y axis, okay, it will be confused between 2 time periods. Okay, along x axis time period is more, along y axis time period is less. So it will try to manage both the time periods and it will give different patterns. Okay, let's see. I will leave from here. See, it is repeating and you can see the different pattern, beautiful pattern. So if you make use of different colors, it will become more beautiful. This is our physics Rangoli, we can say. Actually it is called as what? Lessagius figure. Okay, I hope this is very interesting, like DNA shape also, right? Good. Now we will go for another pattern. So in this second pattern, we have changed the length. See here. We have changed the length. Now it is little large compared to last one. So pattern will change now. So as you change the length of the string, okay, up to this point, initially it was small, now it is large. Now what? For different string length, you will get different patterns also. Let's see. Again we will leave from what? This particular point in between x and y axis. Let's see. Now this is different pattern. And then we can start from here also. Let's see. Or from here. Okay, now Sanket, you can try. From there you can do it. Before that, we will clean it. So here, this is last pattern. In this pattern, we have changed again that string length. So if you change the length, pattern will change again. Let's see, new pattern. So using this simple bottle and thread, easily we can design different patterns, just like our rangolis, but with different idea, physics now. Using physics, like this we can design new different patterns. Got it?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes.